Hi, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. So we are doing mass production of liquid soap. This is the real mass production. In case you want to do it as a business, then this is the right video for you. So this is the base we are using. I'll give you the prices of each of the materials, as well as the profit you make and everything. Like, it's all about making money. It's money making Saturday. Okay, so yeah, let's make money. So this is the second one. The base is 1 kg each. All the materials will be in the description box with their prices in Ghana. Okay, in Ghana. But the prices vary from places to places, but this is the prices, the wholesale prices. We got it, so then you can calculate the profit you make from there. So this is the second base. He's going to add the third one. This is the third one. And make sure you squeeze everything out, because it's all money, so make sure you squeeze every single base out. And then this is the fourth one. He normally does 5 at a time, but this time around I think I was worrying him with too much talk, so he forgot and he did 4, but that's fine. It's also all good. So 4. So this is the fourth base. And normally when he uses 5 of the base, then he'll use 5 is 5 kilogram, because 1 is 1 kilogram, so 5 of that is 5 kilogram. Then he'll use 2.5 kilogram salt. This is salt, normal salt we use in the kitchen, and one of what he just poured is 1 kilogram. Okay, this is half kilogram, so that's 1.5 kilogram. And then he went ahead to add another 1 kilogram. He thought he used 5 of the base, but it's all good, it doesn't spoil anything. So if you are using 4 of the base, then you use 2 kilogram of salt. It's half of the base. So if it's 4 kilogram of base, it's 2 kilogram of salt, just that. Then he went ahead to add water, and he's just going to stir it in one direction. Like, yeah, that's very, very important, in one direction. So just keep on stirring. It becomes very thick, so you keep on adding water. Basically that's basically what you do for liquid soap. So he's just going to stir. You realize there are lumps in it. When you start afresh, it's fine, you are not making any mistake. Then you just keep on stirring until it becomes uniform, until it becomes pasty. Then you keep on adding your water. Yeah, you see those margarine buckets there? I think he used 4, but you will be counting, so don't worry, no worries about that. Let's just enjoy the video in peace. Okay, yeah. And so let me use this chance to tell you the prices of the materials. Okay, so the base, we got one for 23 cedis. I think because we're buying many, because we bought 50 pieces, like 50 kilogram. That's 50 50 so 50 kilogram of the base, and he gave it to us at 23 cedis for one. So 1 kilogram is equal to 23 cedis times 4 is I think 3 4 is 12, so 92 is 92 cedis. And then the salt, I think it should be like 5 cedis. So if the salt is 5 cedis, then 2 of that is 10 cedis. So then we have, let me get my pen and paper. So the base, I'm writing, the base is equal to 23. So he's just going to add water. It becomes very thick. When it becomes very thick, he keeps on adding water. Basically that. Let's continue with our calculation. So the base is 23 cedis times 4 is equal to 92 cedis. And then the salt is equal to 5 cedis times, ideally you use 2, so we are just going to use 2, is equal to 10 cedis. And then what are they? You pay the water bill later. So we what next did he add? He added booster, and the bottle, one bottle is 10 cedis. He added 2, so it's equal to 20 cedis. he added thickener. I'm listing it in order in which he added them. Thickener. And when you are pouring the water inside there, you don't pour it from afar. You bring the whatever you are using to fetch the water very close to the soap so that it doesn't foam. Otherwise your soap will end up becoming very foamy and you see a lot of foam at the end. That's not professional. We are professionals here. We are doing professional stuff, so don't worry about the water. Just keep on adding because it keeps on getting thick. So back to business. Thickener, one bottle is 10 cedis and he used 2, so that's also 20 cedis. That's another water for you. And then preservative there is not expensive, so you see, oh, shame on us, our bucket and that is dirty, so he has used 1 bucket. So preservative is 2 cedis times 2, we have 4 cedis. And then and what again, color is also 2 cedis times 2 is 4 cedis. And then perfume is a bit expensive, so the perfume, the small bottle is 12 cedis. So let's say we use 2 of that, so 12 times 2 is equal to 24. So this is the second bucket of water he's using. Now you realize it has become very uniform, so he is adding more water at a time. So let's just go ahead and add up everything. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 10, 12, 14. Oh no, we made a mistake. Okay, so 2, 6, 10, 2, 6, 10, more water, 2, 6, 10, 14. So 14, remember 1, 10, 11, 13, 15 plus 2, 17. Okay, really. So then the total is 174. And then when he does it with this, so this is the 4th water. Yes, because I had to pour 1 inside. I paused the video and I poured 1 inside. Okay, and now he has added another one, so this is the 4th water. You realize it has become very, very liquidy, but it will thicken up. So now the total cost is 174. And let's say the gallon is 10 cedis each. The big gallon, the very big one, I will put a picture on the screen. The big one is 10 cedis. It can take 2. This can fill 2 of the gallons, so that's 20 cedis. So you have 194. That's the total cost. And then you can sell 1 gallon for 150. So times 2, you are going to get 300 cedis minus 194. You have 106. That's the total. And this thing is like cake. The more you do it, like the more quantity you do, the more profit you get. If we did the 5, so that he's going to add the thickener. This is the thickener he's adding. That's 1 bottle. So the small bottle is 10 cedis. Okay, that's why I said 2 bottles is 20 cedis. So that's 2 bottles, that's 20 cedis. So once that was added, I think I was worrying him with talk. We are just going to keep on stirring. You realize it has thickened up a little, and the thickener makes it more thick so that I can add more water and get more profit. The bowl is big. Oh, from how you are seeing it is big, rough. It's extremely big, very very big. So you have a profit of 106. Let's say 6 cedis goes into flyer and those stickers and everything you put on the package and those things. You've made a profit of 100 cedis from the 2 gallons. You see, then it takes less than 30 minutes to do this. So Charlie, if you are thinking of going into, and all you needed was 200 cedis, this 200 cedis, you've made a lot from it. And the gallon takes 5 of the white gallon he's holding. So this is the booster. He's going to add 2 bottles of the booster. The big gallons take 5 of the small gallons he's holding. Okay, so let's say you decide to sell it in this small white gallons, then you are going to get 10 of these small gallons, and 10 of these small gallons, one of the gallon is one cost of gallon is 35 cedis. If you are selling it in the small gallons, it's 35 cedis times 10. You have 350. 350 minus, you let's say 200, you have 150 profit. So if you decide to sell it in the small gallons, then you are going to make 150 cedis profit. But if you decide to sell it in the big gallons, then you are going to make 100 cedis profit. This is the preservative. He's just going to use 1 spoon, another spoon, and a third spoon. So he used 3 spoons. Yes. So we are done. Oh, that's basically our soap. And because we are doing it in large quantity, he didn't add the color straight away. He added it the next day. So he just went ahead to pour it in a very big barrel so that he can do the next batch. Okay, you see it has taken up. Oh, the thickness depends on you, but if you are doing it for sale, then you should do it in such a way that a customer will be appreciative of it when they buy it. We buy. Hey, speaking pidgin with you guys. You understand? It's really thick. So liquid soap, the money is inside, especially if you get to do it for a company that buys it frequently, or you get to do it in large quantities for people. You are going to cash out, but it's a bit tedious. Like, it requires a lot of stirring and a lot of energy. So better yet, you can just hire people, like someone to do it. If you hire these by day people, my workplace, we have people who do by day, and we pay them per the day they come. Okay, so you can get these by day people to come and do it one day for you and go, and that day make sure you use them very well. You make sure you use them very very well, so that at least you bab. So that's my leg. We're done with it. We're basically done with the liquid soup. He's just stirring to make sure everything has mixed well, and then we went ahead to pour it in the big barrel. Basically that is not difficult at all. Yeah, so we didn't add the color. If you want to see how the color was added, then you can check the other tutorial and it will just be right there. So this barrel takes 300 liters of whatever liquid you are putting inside. So that's 300 liters, almost full. Yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by the channel once again. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you go and try it. Like, if you want to make it into a business, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. No, not peace out yet. Please subscribe to the channel, because I'm sure you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Peace out.